A good automotive air conditioning conversion tool is a useful item. There are different models of automotive air conditioning conversion tools on the market. Selecting the best automotive air conditioning conversion tool among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best automotive air conditioning conversion tools in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most powerful automotive air conditioning conversion tool available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate an automotive air conditioning conversion tool from good to great, such as its features and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1, our 1234YF to our 134A low-side quick coupler adapter. The R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler adapter is one of the highest quality products available on the market. In the high-low side pressure R134A to R1234YF adapters kit, you will receive 2 pieces of items in different colors, including 1 piece of red high-pressure R1234YF quick coupler and 1 piece of blue low-pressure R1234YF quick coupler, which will be very useful in your daily life and provide you with many conveniences. The high-low pressure R1234YF quick couplers are not only compatible with our 134A quick couplers for converting our 134A to our 1234YF, but they are also suitable for a 3-way R1234YF or our 134A AC manifold gauge set. The R1234YF low-pressure fast coupler is designed to work with refrigerator Freon recharge hose and automotive R134A refrigerant charge hose. It can also be used as an AC oil injector, which is easy and practical. This tool is composed of robust brass, and the high-low side pressure R1234YF to R134A couplers are stable in structure and exquisitely crafted. They are not prone to rust, distort, or break throughout the long service life, and they can make the R1234YF quick couplers more robust. The blue low-pressure R1234YF quick coupler is around 73 by 22 mm/2.87 by 0.87 inches in size. And the red high-pressure R1234YF quick coupler measures approximately 74.4 by 28 mm/2.93 by 1.1 inches. This tool is small and compact, making it easy to handle and store without taking up excessive room. Number 2, Youngine Adjustable AC R134A Quick Coupler AC Charging Fittings Connect Adapter. There is also a Youngine Adjustable AC R134A Quick Coupler that is an excellent option to choose. This instrument is designed to withstand wear and tear over time thanks to its construction from aluminum and bronze. And it has a copper adapter that can be detached and has a cap on it so that it is easy to maintain. The connector or adapter that is located on the low side is colored blue, whereas the connector or adapter that is located on the high side is colored red. Inlet diameter is 5.08 mm, outlet diameter is 7.98 mm, 7/16-20 UNF thread size. This tool's construction is made of brass metal, allowing for a speedy and uncomplicated connecting and disconnecting process. Its ingenious sleeve offers protection from hazards, preventing harm as well as the loss of refrigerant and serving as a barrier against leakage. The Youngine Adjustable AC R134A Quick Coupler is suitable for use with AC R134A refrigerants, is designed for use with a diagnostic manifold gauge, and is designed for use in AC charging, diagnostic checking, recovery, and evacuation activities. Number 3, DUOYI R1234YF to R134A Low-Side Quick Coupler. In this review, we will discuss the most important reasons why you should include the DUOYI R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler, as well as the reasons that, in our opinion, are the most important reasons why the kit is so widely used. The wonderful DUOYI R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler is next on our agenda, so let's get started learning about it. The R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler is designed for use in the AC charging of automobile air conditioners that use refrigerant that ranges from R12 to R134A. The DUOYI R1234YF to R134A low-side quick coupler is packaged with all of the components necessary to fulfill the needs of the user. It features a knurled grip ring that allows for accurate and simple usage. This adapter is constructed out of high-quality aluminum, and it has an excellent performance in terms of sealing and is quite durable. It is simpler and more convenient to disassemble and put back together again thanks to its push-lock design, which features an automated closing function. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 24561 Conversion Coupler Set. A decent choice with many useful features is the OEMTOOLS 24561 Conversion Coupler Set. This tool has one tank adapter and 6 manual couplers with latching balls. There are also Acme adapters that can fit hoses of either 13/16 or 1/2 an inch in diameter. Manual couplers like this work with numerous vehicle-related tools. Auto mechanics, do-it-yourselfers, and enthusiasts who tweak vehicles will love them. Machines that use our 134A hoses and manifolds can have their connections to those components changed to those used with HFO 1234YF with the use of these adapters. In addition, the tank adapters that come with this set of couplers contain 6 locking balls to keep water from leaking out. If you want to switch from an R134A system to a more environmentally friendly R1234YF system, the OEMTOOLS 24561 Conversion Coupler Set is exactly what you need. These leak-proof manual couplers connect HFO 1234YF and R134A systems. You may connect the system to your car with the help of the tank adapter and the right-hand/left-hand adapter that come with the package to get the desired service. Number 5. HZ-MONSTAR 56 PCS Air Conditioning Valve Core Kit. There are 56 different pieces of tools linked to the air conditioner valve core kit that are included in the package. The valve core accessories are placed in a box so that they are simple to use, simple to store, and simple to transport. Our 134A R22R410 air conditioning valve core set is constructed of aluminum and brass material with good rust, oxidation, impact, and abrasion resistance, and it serves you longer. Air conditioning valve core set is 100% brand new and high quality, and it meets or exceeds OEM specifications. Air conditioning components including HVAC AC valve cores for our 134A, R22, and are 410 appropriate for use in air conditioning replacement and maintenance, as well as the repair of core leakage in refrigerant valves. And gaskets are compatible with all different types of air conditioning AC recharge hose liquid feeding tube adapters. This collection of goods is suitable for use in most automobiles. This tool is simple to set up, which will save you both time and money. The kit comes with a tiny overall footprint. A 1-year warranty is included with the purchase of this R134A R22R410 AC remover tool assortment kit.